Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use IP command on Linux. So let's open the terminal and I will show you some examples of usage of the IP command on Linux. So, what is IP command? IP command is a part of the IP root 2 package and it is used to manage network interfaces, IP addresses, routing and some more things. So I will show you some examples as I said before. So the first, I think the most basic usage of this command looks like this. So IP, add and r. As you can see, we have something like this. So first of all, we have our loopback interface right there. We can note that this is loopback interface first of all because of the name, second of all because of the IP address which starts with 127.0.0.1. This is the loopback address that is set by default on the Linux system. Second of all is there is our network card. So we have, this is the real interface, so we have some information. First of all, we have IP address, like right there. This is the subnet mask, this is a broadcast address, and we have the IP v6 some information here below. So this also might be useful in this case, and this is how it looks like. We can also print the short version of this, so IP -br, and like this. As you can see, now we are getting only IP address and only the address in basically IP addresses in two formats. This one is IPv4, this one on the right is IPv6. So this is how it works. Now I will maybe clear that, and now IP link. What you can do with it? We are basically with IP link, I mean IP again add r. With IP link we are basically printing this part of our command, so it also might be useful. I think the most useful things from this output is here. This is MAC address. In this case we have only zeros because this is a loopback the loopback interface, but here we have the MAC address of our network card. So this is how it works. How can we disable the interface? So let's say that we want to maybe fix something is not working, we want to restart our network card. So as you can see, sudo, I will show you how to do it. I mean sudo IP link set, and now it's very important because I don't remember, we have to know the name of our network card. So again, sudo IP link set, and now we have to type in the network card, so the name of the network card from there, so ENP0S3, and we have to type in down because we want to disable it. Of course we have to type in the password, and our IP, network card has been disabled. As you can see, the internet from there, the network connection disappeared. I think we can go into settings again and I will show you that it is disabled. So as you can see, my network is disabled, and now I can of course bring interface up. So sudo IP link set ENP0S3 and up like this. We have to wait a bit. As you can see, it appeared right there and it is working now and it is on. So this is how you can bring your interface down and up from the terminal. Now we will maybe clear that and I will show you the command IP root. What is IP root? IP root it basically displays the system routing table. So the default one is gateway, so the router, and the router will go via this IP address into this interface. So this is how it works. you need to have some basic knowledge of the, I think, networking in order to understand that, but this is how you can display the IP the root table, I mean. And now, how can we add a root? We can add a root, for example, like this. So maybe I will not add. No, I'm not gonna add it, but I will show you how you can do it. So you have to do something like this. So sudo IP root, and now add. Now you have to specify the IP address. So for example, 192.168.2.0 and 24 with the mask, and you have to add via and 192.168, for example, 1 and 1. You can press enter. As you can see, for me it is not working because I have the different gateway address, but you have to specify your gateway address and the IP address that you want to use, and you can delete that root by typing in sudo IP root delete, and you have to type in this address from the left. So 192.168.2.0 and /24. So this is how it works. What you can do also, you can do something like this. So IP neigh. It will print the ARP table. So ARP table basically maps IP addresses to the MAC addresses. So you can read it. This is ARP table. And how we can add, for example, temporary IP address. We can do something like this. So sudo IP addr add, and for example 198.168.1 and maybe 100 /24 to our network card. So it was ENP, I think. I don't remember. I have to remind it. So again, IP addr. So again, sudo IP add 192.168.1 and for example 100 with the 424 and def enp0s3 like this. Now I will print that again. As you can see, we have two IP addresses. The first one that we had before, and the second one that we added with the ending of 100. Of course, we can remove this address, so we can do it like this. It looks the same as in the root example above. So IP addr and now delete. So 192.168.1 and 100 with the math of 24, and again we have to specify the network card name. So 0s3, and we'll press enter. Again, I will maybe clear that and print that like this. And as you can see, my address from there have been deleted. So this is how you can do it. This is basically the, I think, most basic usage of this IP command that everyone can understand. If you found this video helpful and you know how to use IP command on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.